I'm thinking about getting the band back together. Help support the companies that support our community. Just like look straight.
Okay.
I'm thinking about getting the band back together. There we go. This is our entry into the 2018 Makers Rock Challenge. So a bunch of us in the community got together and we all did album covers from the 90s. So this was ours, Robert Plant, Fate of Nations. I will put a link down below in the description to everybody who participated in this. So go check out their channels and see what they came up with. I've already seen a couple of them and they are amazing. But I had the easy part. I just did a little sanding and carving. Robin painted the little kids down there and then the earth melting. But it was a fun project, and for everybody who helped put this on, thank you so much, guys. You did an amazing job. And like I said, go check out everybody else's videos and see what they came up with. If you'd like a chance to win this, head on over to my Instagram page. The link is right below in the description, and leave the words Makers Rock in the comment. I'll pick a winner on March 25th. All right, now back to it. If this is your first time here, please subscribe, hit the bell button, follow us on Instagram, hit like on the video. All right, till next week, take care.